Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All right. Friendly buddy?
Yeah.
All
it's
right.
fine.
All right.
So this lock, the lock right there, the lock that goes outside the house, and the one over here.
Okay, you want to show me the one over
Well,
there?
you saw this one. I'll show
Yeah.
you this one.
Do you have a working key for those?
Nope. This one, obviously.
Okay.
And then the one out here. That one right there.
Okay. So you have total of 6 locks. Alright, a little bit of a different video today. I'm rekeying some locks. We have 6 locks in total. The customer does not have any keys at all. Alright, that's it. Alright, so all the locks are keyed. I'm just gonna install it back. You can tap right here.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Have a good one.